This is an under cabinet organizer. It actually comes in a 2-pack. They were very easy to put together, and they have these sliding drawers, which is something that I was looking for. They have these nice rubbery feet on the bottom. They're kind of rubberish feet, vinyl maybe, so non-skid. This is adjustable, height adjustable, so this is the highest height. You could make this lower. Just to give you a sense for how tall this is like a standard bottle of mouthwash. And you can see that that will fit underneath. That was a big thing for me, was finding something that could fit the very tallest bottles. This is the tallest thing I have under my sink, and it will not quite fit. It just is a little bit too tall, but everything else is this height or lower. It also comes with these nice little hooks so that you can be hanging other things from it. And I can't wait to get this under my sink. And here they are under the sink. This is exactly what I was looking for. We have the ability to slide things out. We've got these little holders, which are great for small things like toothbrush heads and things that are easy to lose. And then of course you can just slide it back out of the way. I didn't end up using the hooks, which I have over on the side. I just didn't really have anything that needed to go on those, but it is nice to have them. And then of course I can still pull these out. It's just a great way to be able to access the things at the back and have all these bottles and things standing up where I can still see and access them. So this was just the storage solution that I was looking for, and really glad that I picked this up.